SALEI, the older brother from Azerbaijan, and DUPREE, USA. First onto poolside. Tucker DUPREE, United States of America. Improved his personal best by 0.7 of a second in the qualifiers. Going in lane 1, Jason Braedan, Australia, 7th at last year's World Championships, ranked 7th in this final. Dzmitry SALEI, Azerbaijan, the elder of the two brothers, gold medalist from 2008, had to settle the 5th at the London Paralympics. Well, there's his brother Raman SALEI, 5th and 12th for Azerbaijan. And now the crowd erupts for Brazil's Thomaz MATERA, going in lane 6, swam a huge personal best of 1.3 seconds to put him in as 4th fastest in this final. Uzbekistan's Kirill PANKOV, 6th the last Paralympics, representing Uzbekistan, going in lane 3. And his compatriot Muzaffar, TURSUNKHUJAEV, and Uzbekistan, the 2nd fastest qualifier in lane 5. Well, here's the man to beat. Ihar BOKI, Belarus, 5 times Paralympic champion, won 6 gold medals at last year's World Championships. And in this event, he's been the world champion for the last 3 World Championships. This men's 100-meter butterfly, S13, dominated by Ihar BOKI. You can see the world record holder, Paralympic record holder. He broke that Paralympic record earlier on in the heats. This, the men's 100 butterfly, S13. The world record held by Ihar BOKI, 54.44, just 1/10 of a second outside that in the heats earlier today. It's already a quick start and a great underwater phase for Ihar BOKI. Comes up first in lane 4 into his stroke, making the most of that underwater phase. And he's finding his rhythm in this men's 100-meter butterfly S13 final. Coming into the turn, Ihar BOKI first to touch, ahead of Kirill PANKOV. 3rd, it's TURSUNKHUJAEV of Uzbekistan.
Oh, he's just so quick. He is so quick. Ihar BOKI is not only the man to beat, he's almost guaranteed a gold medal here. There's nobody that's going to be catching Ihar BOKI, but the battle is on for silver and bronze. Kirill PANKOV is putting in a tremendous display for the silver, and the battle for bronze is certainly heating up. But BOKI,
it's going to be incredibly close, but not for the gold medal. Ihar BOKI, a new world record, and look how close it is for the silver and the bronze. It goes to PANKOV. Kirill PANKOV of Uzbekistan touching for the silver medal, and the bronze to Muzaffar. TURSUNKHUJAEV of Uzbekistan taking the bronze. But what a dominating swim that was by the Belarusian, breaking his own world record, 53.85. Absolutely smashing his own world record. Really was the one to beat, and he wasn't going to beat. Kirill PANKOV, silver medal for Uzbekistan. And And Uzbekistan making that to 2 medals out of 3, with the bronze going to Muzaffar, TURSUNKHUJAEV. Strong performance for the Uzbekistan team, but they had to settle for the lesser medals because this man, Ihar BOKI, is just a class above the Belarusian athlete, just in another class there. This is a 100-meter race, and he had that by over a body length, and a new world record with it.
Yeah, I think it's hard to forget, as a teenager, him winning 5 gold medals in London 4 years ago, and he just continued that dominance throughout the years since the World Championships.
Well, there it's confirmed. Ihar BOKI